sports show here, RV, boats, kind of thing, and the girls. We just got inside some of the exhibitors booths here, and you can see the girls have found some neat art type pieces to go in front of your campsite. Take a look at. But we are getting ready to go over and check out what's new in Charleston, West Virginia, at the Civic Center Coliseum and Convention Center. So this is the 2018 West Virginia Sports Show. It'll take you on. We have been out of town all weekend at Canadian Valley Resort. About 2.5-hour drive straight down the interstate, and to get here, we're going to about 3 in the afternoon on Sunday. So getting ready to take a stroll through the show. So let's see what we find.
This thing is actually
Okay, we're in the lobby area now. Danica and Tracy do something and try their luck on the spinning wheel here at the credit union. You can see here the Civic Center is actually under renovation. You can walk through the construction area over to the convention hall where the RVs are actually at. So a little moved around this year for 2018. But I think we're going to have a lot more room at the next 2019 show because we're adding space. Yeah, let's check it out. What do you think, Danica? The Coachman, fifth wheel. Yeah, nice spot.
We could switch ours up and do that at some point. But I like the trim.
These are nice.
Yeah, this is nice. High ceilings in this.
Well, look at all the extra countertops.
You got the tables, chairs.
Yes.
Island, you like that?
Well, you've got a lot of storage. I mean, there's countertop space here. And a nice little window. I think it's nice to have some extra light. Cool.
Oh yeah? Massaging chair. That's camping.
This is super nice.
Ceiling fans. It's such a good warm in here.
You got large views.
Oh, it opens.
Alright, Danica says this.
You just hold down the button.
Alright. Because, yeah, that's what you need when you're camping. That, my zero gravity chairs I spent 5 minutes in last summer. Sure footed as a goat. You gotta do that. The fireplace.
Large TV. These both make beds. You know?
Yeah.
Posing.
This one nicest one so far.
Yes. Might be my favorite so far.
We'll,
It might be upstairs.
we'll get there. We're here. This Aspen Trail pull behind. Like I said, this thing is extremely long. Double doors. This might be a toy hauler. Awning on this thing. Did you see how long this awning is? Well, it's actually dual awnings.
I've yet to see this size pantry.
It's just a full-size pantry. Yeah, I mean that's
Walk-in. It's a total walk-in.
yeah, walk-in pantry.
It is nice for walk-in.
You should see the love seat's gonna be there. Massage, love seat, massage.
I like that.
This is my favorite.
Hey, who is that up there? Why, it's Danica.
It's awesome.
Alright, and then to the Class A's. Number 4. Come up. Some of the Ford chassis. And the front console. leather captain, co-captain chairs. And up above is the bunk. Slides down. And then your storage bins up there. Tracy gives me a hard time on this mirror above the driver, like school bus style here. But hey, they're building them right into it. I'm ahead of my time. And then looks like the pull-out sofa. Looks a bed. And then
that's the extra
the
table down.
bunkette. Tracy really wants one of those.
Makes a bed. That's the
Bankette, right? That's what you call that. Love the faucet here.
probably has remote control.
You know what I like, just off the top of my head looking here, is how wide the passageway is there
Yeah.
as you're going through it. So at $89,995, so $90,000. Girls got ahead of me here, but here's a little retro unit. These things, they have these, obviously a lot of the shows, and the girls are in there. There they are. I always like that. We had one about this size when we were kids. My dad, we did not have a shower in ours. Can't be retro yet if you got a shower in there. And you got a stereo in there with a microwave. That's not retro. It's only retro in looks only.
The little two burner and the little sink. This is quite a little
Yeah,
dollhouse.
nice. You got sleeps 2 or 3 back there.
That bankette
Little
makes the
bankette.
whole time.
Alright. Light 1, based on leprechaun. And another Class A here. This looks to be about a 25, if that footer. What do you think, 25 feet, Trey? Or 24.1? See here.
And I'm sure this makes the bed. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 letters, a bath and a half. Again, short.
Yeah. You can tell it's getting to the end of the show, see? Get to take a break. Get massaged, get your feet up. Pretty nice. Inside. Oh, vacuum. Alright, so Danica has found something here. It's yellow, your color. Take that to the camp. I wonder how many campgrounds lie there. Rush Creek was I used earlier. It's a nice little thing to get you around campground or in and out. Run down the road. Fully able to be licensed, street legal. And then, alright, stepping up a notch here. Ready for Hatfield McCoy Trails. Arctic Cat.
Right here. I got my.
Sweet $9,500. Takes it home, right? You're locked in.
This is what been bugging me. Because I can sit right here. And then Bubby can drive right here.
Okay, we're here at the activities area, the Boy Scouts of America section, then the RV show. Danica has put together a Lego Roadster. There's her vehicle. She's got it ready to go. And I just threw together one over here too. There's mine. Okay, hot rod. Coupe de Ville. All right, we're gonna.
Ready?
All right, we're ready.
3, 2.
Your mark, get set. Wait a minute, it's got to do the countdown. It's the one. You're okay. There it goes. Oh, mine's off to a bad start. I just blew a head gasket out of the start.
So go ahead and get mine. We'll redo it.
That was bad.
Danica gonna try a little putt-putt golf. Indoor putt-putt golf at the Civic Center.
So we're back home from the RV show. Weather aggressive schedule we set this weekend. We took off Friday afternoon to Dallas, to Ohio, and David Tracy's family, sisters, Catherine, up there. So just went to Friday, we got on the RV. It's about 37 miles of trail. this is ours here in West Virginia. It's not a huge show. It's not something you're going to see like in Florida or maybe out west, and even some of it, I'm sure over in Columbus and Cleveland, the shows are a little bit larger. But a couple of dealers come in here. But most of these shows, I think they all follow the same format, anywhere from 2 to 4 or 5 dealers come in, bring their RVs in, and show them and come in there. If you're in the market for it, it's a great time to be able to look around, compare. And if you're not, just like us, we're just trying to get ideas and what's going out. Really though, as you see in the videos, it's super cool over last year. Some of the same things that we see today at the RV shows. So there's some vendors that are going to be out here. It's Rush Creek, Falls, Park Resort. It's a camp. It's schedule. So there's some things like it, but overall, hey, it's February the 11th as it is we make this video, and here in West Virginia it was 65 degrees today with forecasted rain. And to be in the middle of winter and have the show, it was really, by the time we got to RV show, it was actually hot. It was really kind of t-shirt weather in there. So, but the great thing is the RV show is one of those last things as we start the home stretch, as we get this part of the winter in West Virginia, we start to get out of that deep freeze, Arctic chill type of weather. We'll still have some snow, I'm sure we'll have some winter weather, but get through the Arctic blast kind of stuff, it's less and less chance of that happening. And we start really looking forward to spring break. So the RV show was good. The girls, they've already headed in to get their baths, and we just about finished up the weekend, but it's been a good weekend. And we're just excited, it's just to be up there, be around the RVs. I think to be able to do that is something neat to do. And we hope you enjoy the video that we have for that. And we'll be coming to you hopefully next week.